Hey guys, Eastern Shore native here. I am in Smoky Mountain Knife Works. I am in the Victorinox knife section. This is the display section. Give you a quick video here. I think this is pretty cool. This is kind of an overview of all the different knives and things. I think this is one of the coolest things I've seen. There's so many different types. I know when I was coming up as a boy, they only had the basic models. They have come so far. I don't know if I'm giving you a good view. They have some of them out here. There's two different racks here. Wow. They have came so far. If you are into knives and you have never been to Smoky Mountain Knife Works, you are missing out. Anything that you can think of, any brand that you may want, any type. Some cases here. There is also over here, there's a few here, smaller ones, kind of on your keychains. Isn't that cool? It's unreal how many kinds and colors they have now. They have some down here. For anything that you can think of. Victorinox. Been around. The original Swiss Army knife. They have some gimmick types for kids. They also had a section in the front. They were on sale as they come in the front door. You see here, you got your standard ones on sale. These are not just displayed, these are actually for sale. It's incredible. Whatever you want, any color you want. They have so many different sections here. This is just a small section. I tried to catch it. Every time I try to get a little video, somebody was walking through and doing something, buying something. If they don't have what you're looking for, all you gotta do is ask. I'm sure they can help you out. Alright guys, just want to give you a quick glimpse of Smoky Mountain Knife Works section on Victorinox. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.